In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make prompts for Leonardo AI Desktop. If you want better results in Leonardo AI, the biggest difference usually comes from how you write your prompt. Instead of typing a few random keywords and hoping for the best, it helps to use a clear structure that tells the AI exactly what you want to create. First, log into your Leonardo AI account from your desktop browser and open the image generation workspace. This is where you'll build and submit your prompt, so make sure you're in the right area before moving on. Next, choose a fine-tuned model from the side or top menu that matches the kind of image you want. Different models are trained for different looks, so selecting the right one helps your prompt perform better from the start. If you're aiming for something realistic, stylized, or painterly, try to match the model to that aesthetic. Once that's set, click into the prompt bar at the top of the page and begin typing your description. A good approach is to separate important elements with commas. This gives you more control and makes the prompt easier for Leonardo to interpret. To build strong prompts consistently, use a four-part formula. Start with the subject, which is the main person, animal, or object in the image. Be specific about appearance, features, or clothing. Then describe the environment, including the background, location, time of day, or even weather. After that, add technical data like camera lens, camera angle, or lighting style, such as an 85mm lens or cinematic lighting. Finally, define the style by describing the artistic medium, mood, or overall aesthetic, like oil painting, hyperrealistic, or 3D animation. If you only have a simple idea, you can use the Improve Prompt feature, shown by the sparkle icon next to the prompt bar. This helps expand a basic concept into a more detailed prompt. When your prompt is ready, adjust your generation settings such as aspect ratio, number of images, or negative prompts, and then click Generate.